Alright guys, let's drive the car. Here is the key, by the way, the same key as Kia. I use it also on other models. I like the fact that they put the buttons on the side here. What you can do with the key is just lock the car. You can see the car come with electric folding mirrors. You can unlock it also. You can use the button down here on the handles, and you can open the trunk automatically. But for all these details, I have a separate video. If you want to see the full review, interior, exterior, check out that video, guys. There I give you more details, technical data, all the information about the car. Now we have 18-inch rims. The car comes with 18-inch rims, beautiful rims. They fit perfect with the car this size. A normal brake disc on the back, and we have ventilated brake disc on the front. Beautiful car. Now let's go inside. Also guys, I want to point out that here we have aluminum pedals, great pedals, and also a very nice seats, GT-Line seats, a combination of leather with stuff material in the middle. Anyway, let's go inside and let's drive it. Let me put the key here, and I put the seat belt. Press the brake, start. Engine button is here behind the steering wheel, and the car comes with two driving modes. One, it's normal mode, and here you have a button, sport, and you can put it in sport mode. So we have two different driving modes, normal and sport mode. We will try both. The navigation and the multimedia system, you can see it in a different video. One of my favorite thing inside the car is the steering wheel, this GT-Line steering wheel. It's great, the quality is good, the grip is good, and also it's easy to control. Great visibility also in the multimedia, great visibility on the cockpit, and also very easy to reach out all these physical buttons here. We have electronic handbrake, auto hold, the camera. The car comes with a reverse camera, good resolution, and also you have two positions here to choose from what you like to see. We have also parking sensors, start stop engine button, and we have this stalk. I'm not such a big fan of those kind of big stalks, but for a sporty car like a GT-Line, it's quite nice to have this stalk back here. Also, you have the possibility to change the gears manually from those pedals here behind the steering wheel. Visibility is quite nice, but enough with that. Let's drive the car, guys. First of all, press the brake, put it in drive, and you will see that the car will take off the electronic handbrake automatically. Very comfortable on those seats. I like the side support. I like that the seats, it's really hold you very good on your back. Seven-speed automatic transmission DCT combined with a 1.6 liter petrol engine. Total power 204 horsepower. What I noticed in the beginning is the fact that it's quite silent inside here. The sound insulation is good. Also, driving the car, it's very smooth. Over the bumps, it's okay. It's not perfect, but it's quite okay. You can also hear how it's changing the gears, the transmission. If we will change in sport mode, it will wait a little bit longer, and we will try that when we come back. Then the engine will be a little bit warmer. Lovely. It has some points when it's changed the gears and you didn't even notice that it's changing. Here it's kind of a bad road, that's why you hear a little bit of noise from the road from down there. Also, we can see the consumption, guys. I forget to reset it, but I will reset it right now, and we will see what will be the consumption in the end. But very relaxing ride, very good visibility in the mirrors, very nice grip on the steering wheel, and very comfortable. Those seats are super comfy. Easy to drive also in roundabout. Good visibility also in this mirror up here. We can set up the cruise control from here, guys. You can set it very simple by pressing this button here. Also, it comes with lane assist. For example, right now the autopilot system will work automatically, will hold the speed. If the car in front will brake, our car will brake. If accelerate, will accelerate. If not, will keep between the lanes. You can see it's doing a great job actually on the highway. It's doing great. This new Kia autopilot system, cruise control, I should call it, it's really good, and you can see that it's doing a great job. But always have your hand on the steering wheel for the safety. Never trust autopilot, no matter what car you're driving. So you can see it's doing great. It's really doing great. And also at 80 right now, I noticed that the sound from outside is quite low, so the sound insulation is really good. They quite made this design of the A-pillar a little bit lean on the back, so in this way it's floating the air around the car, so you cannot hear so much noise from the exterior. So you can see it warns you to hold your hand on the steering wheel from time to time, I think from 20 to 20 seconds, but still it's doing a great job and it's driving itself right now. Now take the control, just press the brake a little bit, and now you are in the control. Also you can deactivate them from here, from the buttons. Very simple. I noticed that also over the bump is doing a good job. It's not something extraordinary as we find in Citroën, for example, but it's doing great. It's just more than enough. Also easy to control, easy to take the curve. The steering, it's light, and you have a lovely grip. Here are a few bumps, and yeah, I can tell you it's just fine. The car comes with McPherson independent suspension on the front, multilink independent on the rear, so it's more than enough. If you accelerate slowly, the car will change the gear very smoothly and very nice. Also the turning radius of the car, you can turn around in small spaces without any problem. Also the brakes are great. There you can see here, you can turn it in small spaces easy. We have 6-liter consumption until now, 3.9 kilometers. Quite nice, and it's a brand new car. So in the beginning probably you already know that the first like 5,000 kilometers the consumption will be a little bit higher. So you see, if you accelerate slowly, it will change the gears in the perfect position. That's something that I like. If you accelerate a little bit aggressively, then it will have a little bit of delay. But overall, at over second gear, it will change really smoothly. Let's put it in sport mode right now, and you will see that it's a little bit more aggressive, a little bit more responsive. Also the cockpit design will change, and also the car will stay at a higher rev in sport mode, so we're always ready to accelerate to give you the best power. It's quite cool. Push you back a little bit in the seats when you accelerate. .4-liter consumption. Still, when I activate the cruise control, just press a button, press the lane, and then the car will do the job for you. Will keep between the lanes. Just lovely. I mean, quite easy. Look at this, it's just perfect. Change it back in normal mode, and now the revs go a little bit downer. Give you that silent, kind of silent drive, smooth. You can change also the gear manually if you want, from here, from behind the steering wheel. If you want to have some fun in sport mode, in kind of manual mode. The car have enough power for the size of the car. It's more than enough, 204 horsepower. It's just perfect. You don't have to worry at uphills. In any situation, it's just perfect. And also I think you can get some great consumption, 6.2 liters until now. Have a great grip on the road, even though it's not a all-wheel drive, it's just a front-wheel drive, but the grip on the ground, it's good. Brakes, the pedals are smooth and nice, aluminum pedals, they feel really good quality. Also the engine, it's relatively silent, you can hear so many noise from the engine inside the cabin, and this is a good thing. That means it's well insulated there. that was our trip, guys. Going in reverse, you will see that the car comes also with a reverse camera with active lane assist, so it will help you park when you want to park it in different places, but it's really easy. And also you have 6 parking sensors on the front, 6 parking sensors on the rear, so it's very easy to park out. Comes with electronic handbrake, auto hold, all these new function comes on the car. Now guys, that was the video. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you get some useful information from it. So 6.3 liter was the consumption on our drive. Quite good consumption. I think you can get even better consumption over time. My rating for this Kia XCeed GT-Line from 1 to 10 will be 9.9. It's a great price with a great offer, and yeah, you should try it, guys. It's really good. Anyway, if you still have questions, ask me down below, wherever you want to ask. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. If you are in Switzerland, around Switzerland, check out, guys, MB Automobile Bader here in Bellac. The link will be in the description. Thank you for watching, stay safe, and see you soon in the next one. Bye, guys.